Reminiscence. Every morning in the assembly ground, it felt great watching you scream, play, and run all around. Amidst your happy faces and fresh air, we all gathered for the morning prayer. The ground now looks so vacant and still. In your absence, the school lacks all the thrill.
My daughter is Shruti Mahanti and she is in 12th science.
मेरी बेटी के नाम प्रियंका सेन है। वो 11 साइंस में पढ़ती है।
I am Tina Sarkar. My child studies in class 6D. His name is Arush Sarkar.
My elder son is in class 10, Shreyan Das, and my younger son, Kiran Das, is in class 3.
मेरा बेटी का नाम अश्वित कौर है। वो क्लास 9A में पढ़ती है।
I have two daughters. Both of them are studying in Gulmohar School. My elder daughter is Vaishnavi and she is studying in Standard 8. And my younger daughter is Vaibhavi. She is studying in Standard 2.
I am Santoshi Mohanty, mother of Ayush Mohanty, class 7A.
The corridors, the staircases that echoed with your laughter and cheer, and often heard your teachers say, "Stop, do not run, you'll fall." Now greet us with their stillness. Oh, we wish you all were here.
Yes, I was concerned about the effect of pandemic on society and family, but I have not thought that it will affect on my child's education in such a way.
Yes, I was rather concerned about the academic influence it would have on my son.
Shh, keep silence. That you read and often broke the rule. The chairs and tables lie vacant. Pages of the books remain unturned. There is absolute silence in the library, a silence that really hurts. We wish very soon you could come to school.
स्कूल जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है बहुत प्रॉम्प्टली बहुत इजीली उसको रिजॉल्व किया है और इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि जो भी कंडीशन जो सिचुएशन जो आया है हम लोगों के सामने आया है या आया था वो उसमें स्कूल बहुत हेल्प किया है और बहुत प्रॉम्प्टली उसे सॉल्व भी किया है।
The auditorium that witnessed shows of such great variety, your applaudable performances full of passion and zeal, truly miss your presence and emptiness that we feel. The deserted classrooms that once buzzed with your murmur eagerly wait to be enlivened with your fervor.
Situation is completely new for all of us, and the way Gulmohar High School has taken steps, I think this was the best possible approach which could be taken from school's part. And yes, my children are getting lot of help through the online classes. They are getting the benefits. They are engaged in healthy activities, in various mindful activities, and they are also learning through online classes.
But the bond between a teacher and a student is so strong that nothing could keep them apart for very long. The online classes through which we are able to meet, we see your happy faces. For us, it is no less than a treat.
My children eagerly wait for the weekend activities. Till now, they have enrolled themselves in a lot of activities like letters to God, painting posters of real heroes, random act of kindness, Gulotsav, then healthy mind and healthy body. These activities have helped them a lot in exploring their hidden talents apart from their academics. These days, I feel our children are becoming unsocial, and participating in these activities will make sure that they get an opportunity to meet like-minded friends, break social barriers, and lead a healthy life.
जैसे हमारे बच्चों को ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई हो रहा है, ऐसी एक्टिविटी भी हो रहा है साथ साथ में। बच्चे हमारे खुश हैं, और जैसे मतलब स्कूल में जाते थे, स्कूल में एक्टिविटी होता था, सब कुछ होता था, बच्चे लोग का माइंड फ्रेश रहता था। ऐसे ही अभी बच्चा लोग जैसे अभी आप लोग करवा रहे हैं, तो सब हमारे बच्चा लोग बहुत खुश है।
The colorful pictures and videos of the fun-filled activities represent your vivid imagination and exhibit your creativity. Your enthusiasm for all the online competitions, your undying efforts are truly praiseworthy. In these difficult times, we draw power from your positivity.
मेरी बेटी गुलमोहर स्कूल में पढ़ती है, इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। बहुत सारा कारण है, बहुत पॉजिटिव कारण है जिस कारण मैं खुश हूँ। यहाँ का टीचर्स का बिहेवियर, पढ़ाने का तरीका, प्रिंसिपल मैम की बातचीत, कोकुलर एक्टिविटीज़, ऑफिस स्टाफ्स, सिक्योरिटीज़, बिहेवियर ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज़ ऑल्सो, ये सारे लेके मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित हूँ। इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ कि मेरा बेटी गुलमोहर हाई स्कूल में पढ़ रही है।
Our world that has been badly affected, we pray for it to heal. Though miles apart and socially distant, thanks to technology that has kept us connected.